welcome to another training session in eComm. My name is Robbie. I'm a solutions engineer with eComm and Eastern Engineering. And today, we're going to learn how to post an RFI. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so you can see here I'm in a demo project. I'm signed in currently as a subcontractor for this project. We have a couple of options that we can take to get to where we need to go. First one, on your dashboard, you'll see this nice little blue button over here, the top right menu. It says Post New. You can click on that, and a drop-down comes up, and you can select RFI. Alternatively, you can go over here in the left-hand menu and click on Item Logs and select RFI from there. And the page will refresh. You can see we have the RFI item log right here. Typically, RFIs are visible across the board, just in case someone else needs to know the same information. So first thing you're going to do is click Post New. And you can see now I have some options available to me. RFIs are fairly simple, so it's a pretty quick process though. So first we're going to select our bid category. And then we can add a description. This is going to be dependent on the project. Sometimes this is available, sometimes it isn't. And then we just type out our question. And so you can see here, it's going to go from me, the subcontractor, to the construction manager, and then the architect. A lot of times, this second step, it could be a general contractor. It could go, from the general contractor to the architect to the owner. Because eComm is so customizable, your workflow could vary drastically from this. But know that in this workflow, the next step could potentially close the RFI if it's something that they have the ability to answer. If not, they'll go ahead and send it on to the next person in line who would be able to answer the question. So right here, you can see we have related plans. So we can select a drawing that we want to relate to this RFI, and also related items. So we can add others. So let's say an ASI went out and we are questioning about that ASI. So we can go ahead and click that and select add related items. And you can see now we have that relationship right here. Once that's done, all you got to do is you hit create. It saves the page. And then if you want to, you can add a message here. If not, you don't need to do that. You can also upload any other relative documents outside of eComm right here in the Add New Attachments section. If you don't have anything to add, you just hit Save and Submit, and it sends it on to the next step. And you can see I posted it, and now Construction Manager step is lit up. It's that easy. RFIs, super simple, takes just a couple of seconds. Thanks for watching.